Hey YouTube, this is Duel56 with a round 2 of test duel number 2. Synchro Cat won the first duel, and Synchro Cat is the test duel deck, and it is really fun. Just a quick update for you guys. For all the people I'm training with, I will be sending out your cards tomorrow because I have to get stamps today, and I probably won't get them till late at night.
It's gonna be like all over here, because I'm in my area.
Okay, and yeah, so all your cards will be sent out tomorrow, and I will make a video of who I will be sending out to. So yeah. Synchro Cat goes first since Synchro Cat won. I don't have a second Dark Strike, so it's kind of going to be really hard. Or Arcanite. Alright, so draw. Airball and go.
1. Okay. Some Shura.
Go ahead.
Switch some Bora.
Go ahead.
Shura attack Airball. Minus 200.
Minus 1700.
I search it out for a Blizzard.
Minus 1300, right?
I'm just 1700.
I did it.
Okay.
You don't choose Gale? Okay.
Why? Its effect is okay.
You're supposed to sync, but okay. Never.
And then I end my turn.
Draw. Try it. Same again. Bouncer. Sync. Get. Go here. Search. Brushing that. Let's see. Side Blizzard.
Minus
1500.
Take it.
Take these buffs right now. Oh wait, effects indicated. It's gonna be free sync. Level 8. Colossal. As 100. Okay, that's it. Okay, go. As 2900. Go.
Summon call face down. Summon Gale. Half Colossal. And has 1450. Shura attack. Minus 350. Search out for Gale. So 350.
No. I bring it back to life.
Oh, it's not. Still half it. 250.
My turn. My turn.
And then I'll beast you up. Level 7. Master. Push some Bora. Sync these two up. Sure, Street Fighter. On the turn.
Draw. Set one. Rescue Cat. Rescue Cat. X-Saver. And copy Dark Strike's effect. Get rid of Colossal. Minus 1600.
Minus
No.
12.
Minus
600.
600. Special summon Dark Arm. Remove 1, 2, 3 darks. Attack.
Minus 1600.
Minus 1600. Dark Arm. Minus 2800. Oh, dang. We have that. You have 100 left, period.
That's right. Request.
Wait, how much cards do you have in your hand? You draw one more. Trap dash. I don't know much.
It's
And shuffle. Oh shit. Lightning?
yeah, lightning heavy. And one card face down. Go. Crap.
Sequel attack for game.
Yeah.
And you can draw
Yeah.
summoner, attack for game.
Roar!
Yeah. Alright, Synchro Cat 1. Round 2. So around the Tesla, it dominated against Black Wings. Maybe next one will be against Light Swarms. Maybe. And yeah, summon them up for the win. Yeah. Alright, comment, rate, subscribe, and help me out building my Synchro Cat deck. I mainly need Rescue Cat and Book of Moon and that's it. And other stuff, but yeah. I'm concentrating on Light Swarms right now.
Yeah,
So,
hurry up.
Peace. I can't find the pause button.